project name is Highway Accident Preventer. The main objective of this Highway Accident Preventer is to reduce the number of road accidents taking place in our daily life. The driver is alarmed whenever he misfortunately sleeps while driving.
As we all know, any inventions of the latest technology cannot be activated without the source of power. In this fast-moving world, we deliberately required a proper power source which will act for a particular requirement. All the electronic circuits such as transistors and ICs generally require a DC electronic power for the operation. For the most of the operation of the electronic circuits, AC must be converted into DC, which is commonly known as rectification. AC differs from DC in the flow of electrons. The flow of electrons in one direction and in another direction is said to be cycle or second. In our country, the standard power input frequency is 50 Hz. In order to obtain a DC, we need to step down, rectify, filter and regulate the voltages.
The components required in this project are step down transformer, a bridge rectifier, positive charge capacitance, IC7805, LED, a pair of capacitor, signal amplifier which amplifies the signal, a buzzer and an IR transmitter and receiver which transmits and receives the IR signal.
When AC is supplied to the transformer, it can be either a step down or step up depending upon the DC value needed. But in our project, the transformer is used to perform the step down operation where the 230 volt is converted to 12 volt. This transformer, apart from step down AC voltage, gives the isolation between power source and the power supply circuits.
This is bridge rectifier. This project employs a full wave bridge rectifier. Here, this diodes consist of electrodes which allows the electrons to flow easily in one direction. Here, this bridge rectifier converts the alternating current to direct current. This is positive charge capacitance, where here the pulsating DC is converted to steady DC supply. This is IC7805. This is used to give a positive charged output, and here it gives a plus 5 volt output regulated voltage.
The regulated power supply consists of the two pairs of capacitors on each side. The first set of capacitor is used to convert the steady state pulsating DC into steady state DC, and the later section of the capacitor is used to completely remove the ripple in the supply.
Now the demonstration of this project is
as the IR signal and IR transmitter and receiver transmitting the IR signals, now the IR transmitter and receiver is transmitting the IR signals. As soon as our high gets closed, this transmitting IR signal gets received by this receiver, then which goes to the signal amplifier, which amplifies the signal IR signal, and then buzzer starts alarm. Advantage of this is highly safe way to prevent the accidents.
It is easy to implement and highly reliable. The IR signals are invisible to human eye,
but it is received by the human eye.
Thank you.